In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert an image in Photoshop. So it's very easy to do this. There's a few ways, but this is the way I prefer to do it. So you want to find your layer, this one here. You want to click on it. Now you want to do Control T. Now, make sure this is not locked. If it's locked, then it's going to flip it really weird. Make sure this is unlocked here. So if you want to invert it widthways, then do this. Go to width, and you see it says 100%. Put a minus in front of it, and as I do this, it's flipped it the other way. Nice. Now, if you want to do it to the height, which would flip it upside down, you can do this. And that's pretty much how you do it. Now, the reason you don't want to have these locked together is because if I was to try and do the width while it's locked together, it's going to flip it backwards and forwards. But that's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.